Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, yesterday, if you watched the video from Wednesday I did on this one, AMD was actually looking fantastic. It was bucking the trend. The overall markets had been going down, yet this one had slowly been creeping upwards. However, today, AMD just joined the club. There is just too much bearishness out there, too much panic. And that, what had been a very nice upwards trend line got destroyed to the point where this one actually closed at the low of the day. So unfortunately, like I said, AMD can no longer be talked about in the way I was talking about it just yesterday on Wednesday. In AMD's defense, it's not like this was a needle in a haystack. Like I said, the entire market's got destroyed today, but wasn't able to, fight against that like it had been doing previously. So what I want to do here is just kind of now map out where some of these next potential areas of support are. And you know what? Let's just make this a little bit easier. Well, let me note real quick that on the 30-minute time frame, because this is a good job of showing where that initial level of resistance is going to be at. So $41 was a key area of support going into the day. You can see right there, acted as support. And the reason I go through all that is because there is a foundational rule in charting which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So with the price now down below there, on any sort of bounce to the upside, $41 is going to be that near-term level of resistance. And then for more of the overarching standpoint, keep an eye on that purple line there, the 50-period moving average, which you can see here has been quite the thorn in the side of the chart. But as of now, before I even focus on the 50-period, price needs to first break up above that $41 mark. Now, as far as daily levels are concerned, you can see right here that the price is now getting very, very close to that pink line, which on my chart represents the 200-day moving average, which is a very famous, a very well-followed level within the world of charts. I mean, even a lot of people that don't necessarily use charts, they're still at least aware of where's the 200-day moving average at, and that is now valued at 37.40. So that'll be a very critical level of support going forward. But we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, the bearishness continues. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.